हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 9 ज्योग्राफी के चैप्टर 5 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आइडेंटिफाई द प्रेसिपिटेशन टाइप विद द हेल्प ऑफ द डिस्क्रिप्शन गिवन। फर्स्ट है, इट इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ वाटर दैट यू यूज। समटाइम इट इज टोरेंशियल एंड समटाइम कंटिन्यूअस। मोस्ट ऑफ द एग्रीकल्चर इन इंडिया इज डिपेंड ऑन इट। इसका आंसर है रेन। नेक्स्ट है, it seems as if water droplets are floating in the atmosphere. In London, one cannot see the sun till the afternoon during winters because of this phenomenon. इसका आंसर है fog. Next है, it never precipitates like this in equatorial areas. Precipitation in the solid form sometimes causes damage to the crops. इसका आंसर है hailstorm और hill shower. Next है, a white cotton-like layer spread on the Earth's surface. Because of this form of precipitation, the state of Jammu and Kashmir has to change its capital in winters. In Maharashtra, it does not precipitate like this. इसका आंसर है snowfall. Second question, look at the following picture and identify the correct rainfall type. First है convectional rainfall. Second है orographic rainfall. और लास्ट रेनफॉल टाइप है साइक्लोनिक रेनफॉल। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, लुक एट द फिगर अबव एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट है, इन फिगर बी ऑन विच साइड ऑफ द माउंटेन इज इट रेनिंग मोर। इसका आंसर है विंडवर्ड साइड इज रिसीविंग मोर रेनफॉल। नेक्स्ट, शेड द रेन शैडो रीजन इन फिगर बी एंड नेम इट। Students, you have to shade the rain shadow region in the figure. Rain shadow region always lie on the leeward side. Third question, what is the difference between A and C? In figure A, that is convectional rainfall, the hot air rises upward and then the air cools and begins to condense, and due to continuous condensation, rainfall occurs. Hence, rainfall is accompanied by rainfall, lightning and thunder. In figure C, that is cyclonic rainfall, air from surrounding region comes toward the center of the cyclone and start moving upward. As it rises, the temperature of the air reduces, condensation occurs, and rainfall takes place. Fourth question, identify the odd man out. First है orographic rainfall, acid rain, cyclonic rainfall, convectional rainfall. इसका आंसर है acid rain. Next है snowfall, rainfall, hailstone, dew. इसका आंसर है dew. नेक्स्ट है थर्मामीटर, रेन गेज, एनीमोमीटर, मेजरिंग जार. इसका आंसर है मेजरिंग जार. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, आंसर इन ब्रीफ. फर्स्ट है, इन व्हाट वेज डज प्रेसिपिटेशन ऑकर ऑन द अर्थ. इसका आंसर है वाटर फॉलिंग आइदर इन सॉलिड स्टेट और इन लिक्विड स्टेट फ्रॉम द क्लाउड्स टू द ग्राउंड. इट इज कॉल्ड प्रेसिपिटेशन. Snowfall, rainfall, hailstorm, fog, dew, and frost are the various forms of precipitation. Second question, comment on the rainfall occurring in the rain shadow area. इसका आंसर है winds in rain shadow region are dry and their moisture holding capacity also increases once they cross the mountain top. Hence this region gets very less rainfall. In fact, that is the region, the very region is called rain shadow region. Next question, which type of rainfall occur in most of the world? Why? इसका आंसर है orographic rain is very common in most of the world. About 70% surface of the earth is covered with water bodies, and hence the proportion of moist air moving from water bodies to land is common. Mountain ranges and hills are common relief feature on the land, and wind carrying such moist air get obstructed to these landforms. Winds then start moving along the slope of mountain, which further lead to condensation and rainfall. Fourth question, if condensation occur closer to the earth's surface, what types of form become visible? इसका आंसर है when the condensation or solidification of water vapor in the atmosphere takes place near the surface, then condensation in the form of fog, dew and frost become visible. Fifth question, what precaution should be taken while measuring rainfall? इसका आंसर है following precaution should be taken while measuring rainfall. Rain gauge must be kept in open air on a platform of 30 centimeter in height. Next, nothing shall obstruct the accumulation of rainwater in the rain gauge. In a region of very heavy rainfall, amount of rainfall must be measured every 3 hours. Sixth question, distinguish between dew and frost. Dew में first point है, dew is formed due to condensation near the surface of the earth. Frost में first point है, if the temperature of the air near the surface falls below the freezing point, the frost is formed. Dew में second point है, when air close to the surface of the earth come in contact with a very cold object, small water droplets stick to the cold object is called dew. Frost में second point है, when the temperature of air is less than 0 degree Celsius, water vapor turn into frozen water droplet due to sublimation process and then a frost is formed. Dew में third point है, dew is formed due to condensation process. Frost में third point है, the frost is formed due to sublimation process. Next, distinguish snow and hail. Snow में first point है, precipitation in the form of solid particles of snow is known as snowfall. Hail में first point है, precipitation in the form of frozen water droplet falling rapidly to the ground is known as hail. Snow में first point है, the fall of temperature below the freezing point causes snowfall. Hill में second point है, extreme heat on the earth's surface initiates the process of hill formation. Snow में third point है, heavy accumulation of snow can collapse transportation and communication system of the area. Hill में third point है, it destroy crops and causes loss of life and property. स्टूडेंट, यहाँ हमारा चैप्टर 5 कंप्लीट हो गया है. अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.